So it's right around 3:55 p.m. on Tuesday, September 13th, and I am wrapping up a pretty busy day of helping my mom around the house and doing stuff business-wise for my own matters and my own personal, business dealings. And what I just received earlier this afternoon was unofficial notification that there is some type of legal action being enacted against me by an entity who is attempting to take possession of something that I am currently using and renting. And this isn't an official notification. This wasn't like some kind of legal notice. I mean, I'm in California, so whatever legal notices might be getting sent to me in Massachusetts, I am not in the area to receive. And my mail is being held, as it has to be, by the landlord of my building, which they don't hold mail for the post office. Like the post office doesn't hold the mail for that building, so the landlord is legally required to hold the mail. Anyway, I am just astounded at this point at the sheer stupidity of the fact that this entity or group is repeatedly engaging in legal attempts to gain possession of something that I am using and renting. They don't seem to understand how the law works. Either that or they're just really stupid and they don't have all the facts at their disposal. That's the only thing I can think of why they would keep desperately and repeatedly attempting to take possession of something that I've been using and renting and that I legally have the right to use and rent per multiple laws and protections and, statutes. So I am looking at this from a bird's eye standpoint, a legal point of view that maybe they don't have. They're really aggressive and desperate, and that makes them stupid. I have legal knowledge of the situation that maybe they don't, and it makes me laugh. They're not going to succeed. This isn't going to work on their part. They've already tried to do this a record 3 times in the last year and 4 months. So over the last 16 to 17 months, this particular group or entity has attempted to take possession legally of something that I'm using and renting 3 times. That itself is illegal. I mean, it shows a desperation and a targeting and a discrimination that is illegal just by itself. And the fact that they're trying to do this again for reasons that are arbitrary and based upon their own criteria is very revealing, and it definitely gives me the upper hand in the situation. So they're just stupid. It's not going to work. They don't have a full legal perspective of the situation, and that's why they keep trying to do this. It's absolutely beyond astounding. And there's maybe a legal basis for it from a limited perspective. So there's probably a law that allows them to do this, but they're not taking into account multiple mitigating factors that supersede their right to attempt to take possession of what I am using and renting right now. So, good luck, see you in court, and it's not going to work. That's all I have to say. I'm not an attorney, but I do have a doctoral level education and have co-authored over a dozen, probably about 14 scientific studies that have been published in very high-end global scientific publications. I'm not stupid. I know my rights. I know the laws. And this group this business does not have a legal basis for what they're trying to do. At least not as it applies to my situation.